Hello everyone, so welcome back to this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can find your exported video on a CapCut PC. So oftentimes I read in the comments that you guys are not able to find the exported video on a CapCut PC, and here's how you can easily find it. So let's say I want to export this videos right here, this project. Just click on export first. So actually you export the video, you can easily find where the video will be exported. So in here under the title there will be an option to export to. So this right here is the direction or the where the file will be located. So you can just click on the folder icon in here before you exporting, and make sure that you get the folder right. So in here my exported video will be saved on the videos folder. If you want to change, you can also find where you want to change the folder to save to, but I'm going to just select this folder, then I'm going to export. Then later I'm going to show you how you can find the video easily. Okay, so after the video exported, here you can just click on the open folder to find the exported video easily. So when you click on that option, the folder will be open automatically. Then you can just open the file or the project that you export. Okay guys, so that's so easy, right? I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks bell. Thank you guys.